Hello friends, today in this video I'm going to show you how to view MAC addresses of your laptop or computer using command prompt. So guys, to check and to view MAC address for your laptop or computer, just follow some easy steps. Click on start, type CMD, right click on command prompt, run as administrator. Now in here type one command line, get MSC slash v space slash fo space list. So type this command, then press enter. So guys, you will see detail about network adapter, connection name, physical address and transport name. So this is the way to check MAC addresses of your PC or laptop. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.